Hello, I'm Cardmaster123, and here today with another cool trick and tutorial. This is a really cool trick. It's one of my favorite. Um, Not only does it get great reactions, it is actually AGT winner Franco's one of his card tricks he did on the show. Let's get started. Alright, so what I'm gonna need from the deck is the 4 aces. So I'm just gonna grab out 4 aces. And then what we can do is I just need 3 random cards on each ace. There's a random free choice, and then the last ace, we could shuffle. Don't need the rest of the deck. Alright, so we're going to do, with the ace of spades, we're going to leave that to the side. So the ace of diamonds, ace of hearts, and ace of clubs. Alrighty, so we have all random cards here, right? Watch what I'm going to do. I'm going to take the ace of diamonds, turn it over, shake, and it disappears. With the ace of hearts, same thing, 3 random cards. Turn it over, shake, and that disappears too. Turn this over, and that disappears. And then finally, turn it over, shake, and they all disappear. We left this to the side earlier, right? Watch. The ace of spades, all 4 aces, 3 aces teleport to make it 4 aces. Alright, this is a really cool trick, always gets amazing reactions, but it does require 4 special aces. So by that I mean the aces are going to have to be double faced. So ace on one side and a random face card on the other. Don't make them like face cards, like kings through to kings, jacks, and queens, because it's I'll show you why in a bit. Alright, so what you want to do for the setup, take 3 aces with the back, the regular back, leave the ace of spades out, put them on top. Now, with the other aces, what you want to do is put the ace somewhere close to the bottom, and then put every other ace along with it, like a few cards after. Just like this. Square it up. And then what you want to do for the beginning of the trick, make sure you don't flash the back cards. I almost did. I didn't. You don't want to show there are 3 cards face up. And then to take out the aces, just say I'm going to take out the 4 aces. Don't go through all the way the deck, because you don't want to. Obviously, you don't want to flash the 3 aces on top. So just thumb through one by one. I'm going to find the 4 aces and stop at the last one. And then you always want the ace of spades first, because like I feel like you're teleporting all the aces to the ace of spades. Like the ace of spades obviously is the most powerful card in the deck. So you want to collect these up. Alright, so it really is a free choice of what the cards are, 3 cards are, except for the ace of spades. You always want to have the 3 aces go to the ace of spades. So you can do a false cut, you can do riffle shuffle, as long as you're keeping the 4 aces on top. So I'm going to put 3 cards on each ace. You can even have the spectator put 3 cards, obviously after you put the aces down. And then, so you can shuffle, just make sure they know it's a random choice. Alright, so now what you want to do, you want to take the ace of spades and those 3 face down cards and put them to the side and be like, I'm just going to put them to the side. We'll get back to them in a few. And then with the other cards, you want to do everything in your power not to flash this. So you're going to turn the pack face down over, put the ace on top. Do the same thing, making sure you're not flashing the back. And then say, I'm going to take the 4 cards, spread them out, show that they're different. Don't like getting don't get too into it, because you're obviously gonna add one. It's kind of weird, I don't know. Here, that's better. All right, so you're just gonna say, all right, 3 cards, and then when bringing in, you're gonna make a pinky break under the top 2 cards, because you're gonna do a double lift. So flip it over, and then magical gesture, and then show that they're vanished. When really you just turn the card over. So again, show the cards, square it up to catch a pinky break under, double lift, shake, magical gesture, and then flip over, showing that they're gone. This part is really just showmanship, just to see how good acting skills or whatever. So take it, pinky break, double lift, magical gesture, flip over, showing that the aces are gone. And then the big reveal with the ace of spades, that all 3 aces teleported to the ace of spades. Alright guys, let me know what you think in the comment section below. Obviously, please subscribe to my channel and like the videos. And I want your guys' opinion. Let me know in the comment section if you think I should give away these face-to-face cards. Let me know.